Hello, my name is MAGoodlin, and I'm here to create a presentation for you on the Family Tree Maker, which is a presentation for my ISM 6217 Database Management Systems course. Here is the agenda for the course. I'm going to be presenting on the Family Tree Maker database software, and I'm giving you a little bit of history and details about what Family Tree Maker is. These are all the logos here for the Family Tree Maker that Family Tree has Maker has been around since the early 1990s. I believe it was started actually in 1989. I first purchased it in 1991. But this is a software database for the personal home user and doing their family tree history genealogy work. I have highlighted here in my logo slide number 1 and number 2 and number 3 and 4. Those are the versions of the software that I have purchased over the years. And the first 3 packages that I purchased were on CDs or DVDs. And then the last one that I purchased here in 2019 was a downloadable version from their website. Family Tree Maker was developed in the early 1989 by a Kenneth L. Hess. And at the time he worked for Banner Blue Software. The original version was a Windows copy or Windows platform software that you can see in the picture here that it is kind of interface, picture interface type system. They did create a Mac version in the 1997. And it was didn't do too popular, so they relaunched it in 2010 when more Mac users started using it. It is a growing system, and it is becoming more and more popular. The Family Tree Maker history. Family Tree was bought out in 1995 by Borderbund, and they eventually sold it to the Learning Company. Mattel purchased it. I'm not sure exactly when Mattel purchased it, but it was also purchased by genealogy.com. Ancestry had it for a few years, and you could use it on your Ancestry.com website. Ancestry decided to discontinue it in February of 2016, but that software was eventually purchased by the MAGoodlin, the Mac developer software company, and they now have it on their website at MAGoodlin.com, and you can download it. Buy it on DVD or UPS. There are discontinued the sale of the CD sales. So you actually have to join a membership to access the Ancestry data. The target market for this is a personal genealogy software for end users who are doing their family history research, testing their genealogy, researching their family tree. This is works on the online works with online software such as Ancestry.com, FamilySearch.com, or I believe FamilySearch.org, and there are also the genealogy.com and rootsweb.com. All allow you to access their information using the Family Tree Maker software. The data model for this is it's originally a desktop application. It is like an interface where it's pictures. You can manually type in stuff. There is no required software. You can search through doing searching by name, searching by family history. You can search by year and different aspects that way, but it doesn't require any coding or any information like that. Their new platform is becoming more of a cloud-based data type, where this tree vault allows you to upload your Family Tree Maker, your database into the web, and so then you can access it using your smartphone, your tablet, or your iPhone, and actually create what they're calling this hub of growth ecology system, where it's actually like a growing live tree. It is a mobile app in real time, and there is a lot of information that it does allow you to input through that platform. Again, you can purchase it online at the MAGoodlin.com website. You can purchase just the downloadable version, which is what I did for the $79.99, or you can download and get the DVD, or download and get the USB port. If you do want to work with Ancestry.com, you do have to buy a monthly membership. You can buy it monthly, or if you buy it for the whole year. And as you can see here with the pricing, if you purchase the whole year, you can get World Explorer or Total Access, where you can have everything and get the whole access to Ancestry for $199. And it also allows you to do your DNA testing, and you can link through your relatives using your DNA. And you can explore and grow your family tree that way too. There are a lot of usable visuals for the Family Tree Maker. Here you can see this is the interface, and the Family Tree History does allow you to, on the left-hand side, you can search by name, and you can see all the family names by in order. You can enter. On the right, there is where you would input your name, birth date, and your family marriages and death records. At the top here, around here, you can click on these here, and they will allow you to add notes, add pictures, link to other family members, and document. You can actually upload PDFs, copies of birth certificates and death certificates, pictures of obituaries, and all that can be added through these links at the top. Some of the advantages for these are photos. You can see here, I show you my relationship to me and John Goodlin, who would be my great-great-grandfather, and his wife, Jenny Stakes. And you can see through this that you can print out graphs and charts. It allows you to print out picture books and create what we call pedigree charts or descendant charts, relationship charts. You can create hourglass posters, and stuff to hang on the wall, or you can publish books and share them with your family members if you like. Again, the Family Tree Maker does allow you to connect to Ancestry.com or the FamilySearch.org. And all these other websites do require you to pay a monthly fee. But if you do that, you can see here where I'm on the Ancestry website here. You can see where the majority of my DNA links into where my family members are. You can import links from other family members. I can link my family tree to other families and other people who are researching their families, and we can link together based on this information. Again, there is no required SQL or any coding. This is all like an interface similar to Access front-end loaded. The drawbacks of Family Tree Maker is, like I said, in 30 years, this company has changed hands multiple times. Every time it seems you're having to upgrade to a new software package. You have to purchase new software because the old software isn't compatible with like Ancestry.com or these other online websites, or you don't get the newest features, or it just stops working because it wasn't big. The old software wasn't big enough to hold all your information, or it didn't allow you to upload the pictures, or things like that have progressed over the years. So the drawback is having to repurchase the software, having to continue to buy or maintain memberships to these other online softwares and work that way is a major drawback. A lot of my references came from the Wikipedia site where I researched Family Tree Maker. I took a lot of my information about the history of the family tree from the MAGoodlin.com store where I purchased it. And I also took some snapshots from Ancestry.com where I show my DNA and some of the information that links to the actual databases and other family members. So this is my presentation on databases that has to do with Family Tree Maker. I hope you enjoyed learning about it. And again, no SQL, it's all front-end loaded and hand-entered data. And it's a lot different than what we're used to in this class, but it's a lot of fun. So thank you and have a good day.